Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SeaStar PA1200-3. This is a hydraulic power assist pump. Inside the box you have the pump and documentation, as well as a mounting bracket and one 45-degree T for the helm for your compensation line. On the pump, you have your helm inside, and then you have your cylinder side. They are labeled C1, C2 for your port and starboard ramp side out to the cylinder, and then your port and starboard and compensation line coming in. Main power terminated with ring terminals, 3/8 ring terminals, 15 feet of cable, and then you have 15 feet of ignition cable. This goes to your key switch. So this is not powered until the key switch is on. At that point, this unit only applies pressure or ramps up when you move the steering wheel port or starboard. This unit does not draw a lot of power at standby. Under load, it can draw some power. It does get warm. There's a caution hot on there. So please mount it in a spot that gets a little bit of airflow. There are mounting provisions on the back of the unit. You have upper, lower, and as well as having foot mounted ones. So if you put this against the wall to make it very sturdy, you can put your 4 screws in plus 2 down, and this unit will not go anywhere. This does help a lot to give a very good feel, and there are pre-installed fittings already, and then if you want to change them out, I believe they are ORB now. Used to be MPT in the old ones, but they come with caps on here to leave the test fluid in there and not have it dripping everywhere in the box. You'd pop these off. Standard SeaStar flare fittings go onto the ports on the unit, and you are ready to go. Recommend professional installation, but it is not needed. This can be easily do-it-yourself installed. We offer pre-made SeaStar length, SeaStar hoses in variable lengths, everything from 2 foot up to I believe 19 foot, to help you with your installation, as well as compensation hose you can purchase. There is also installation kits for autopilots that can work with this as well, as far as giving you fittings for your helm, or if you have an autopilot installed in your vessel already, this will need to be installed in front of the autopilot pump. So do not have the autopilot in front of this feeding this. You need to put this in front of the autopilot, and then you can buy adapter kits that come with T-fittings and other accessories needed to complete your installation. If you have any questions, please comment or reach out to us. I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and thanks for watching.